हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू व्लॉग। आज हम आए हैं स्पाइस प्लांटेशन। और देखो यहाँ पे कितना अच्छा ट्रेडिशन है कि कोई भी आता है उसका फ्लावर डाल के उसका स्वागत करते हैं। ये देखो द्विशा के पापा आ रहे हैं, ये देखो पीछे। अब आगे दिखाएंगे ये कि कैसे पूरा प्लांटेशन में क्या क्या है, क्या क्या नहीं, सब कुछ देखते जाना।
Okay, have you heard about Feni? Yeah. Cashew Feni. It's a local alcohol of Goa. Okay, we make that alcohol from this cashew fruit. Yeah. So in March, April, May there is season of this cashew fruit, and when it ripens, no, it falls down itself. Okay. Then we collect them in a large quantity and we bring them here, and we separate this nut. We just separate it, we dry them in the sun, then we send them to the factory for processing because outer shell of the nut has acid in it. So that is the reason they should be processed. Okay, like if you accidentally touch outer shell of the nut, your hands can burn. Okay, blisters can also occur on the hand because that is very acidic in nature, the outer shell of the nut. Yes, but for Feni, we use the upper part. We don't use this nut. Okay, like we crush the juice from it, and the juice we keep for fermentation for 10 to 15 days. After fermentation is done, now we put the juice in this vessel. Okay, can you see here the hole? Down from that hole we put fire. Okay, and we boil it. Then the vapor we pass from here. First distillation is called hurrak. Have you heard it before? Yeah, that contains only 10 to 15% of alcohol. Okay, and to make cashew Feni we repeat the same process. We take half of hurrak and half of fermented juice. Like if we take 50% of hurrak, we have to take 50% of fermented juice, and we boil it again second time. Okay, and the second distillation, that is called Feni, contains 40 to 45% of alcohol. And as a medicine, cashew Feni is good for cough and cold, but only 10 to 12 ml is to be taken, not more than that. Okay, if you want to taste it, you can tell me. After finishing this spice tour, I can give you as a medicine. Okay, yeah, you could, if you want, you can touch also. You know how can that is not the
देखो कैसा होता है, देखा देखा कितना क्यूट।
इसको नहीं टच करें।
देखा, ये कैशू होते हैं, काजू इसके अंदर होता है। देखा, चलो रख दो वहाँ पे, आ जाओ रख दो। आओ दिशा, आ जाओ। जी।
उसका अगर नीचे वाला टच करता है तो काजू टाइप होता है ना।
हाँ वही होता है ना, टाइप नहीं होता, काजू ही होता है।
और ऊपर वाले से हम जूस बनाते हैं
उसके लिए ना,
लंबे लंबे। अगर हम जंगल में आ गए
कितना बड़े बड़े देखा।
we can also count age of this palm by this number of rings. So 1, 2, 3 ring means 1 year. Okay, yes. 3 ring means 1 year. That's how you can count age of the palm. Can you see that palm behind you? Can you count the rings? Yeah, that one.
6 7 नीचे नीचे भी ऐसा
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Just 2.5 year.
5 6
That is
7
complete.
8।
Okay, yeah, and see here, this is a betel nut. The plates now in which you will eat now, that plate is made from this leaf only. Okay, yes, and the harvesting of this betel nut is quite interesting also, since the climber doesn't climb every single palm. Okay, he climbs on one palm, throws a bunch of betel nut down and swings from one palm to another like a monkey. Come. Okay, so what you see in the pot is the lemongrass. The welcome drink what you had is made out of it. But in that welcome drink, we also added ginger, cardamom, cumin, coriander seeds. Okay, and for sweetness, jaggery is added, not the sugar. Yes, even we also extract oil from the roots. The lemongrass oil, it is called. which is a mosquito repellent. Okay, a mosquito, housefly repellent. And the lemongrass mostly used in Thai or in the Chinese cooking. Yeah. And can you see here the chilies here? Small chilies. Yeah, this is called piri piri or peri peri chilies. Yeah, one of the spicy chili in the world. Huh?
Can you taste it for us?
No,
Please.
plucking is not allowed.
You have to taste.
No. Okay, but it is very spicy, sir. In lunch, you tried that papadam, that round shaped thing. That is flavor of the chili. Okay. Yeah. So when they turn red in color, we harvest them and we dry them in the sun. Okay. Let's come. This root. Smell it.
Smell.
Smell it. And tell me, what's that? Take some. Yeah, can you tell what's that? Like it's a root, it grow underground. You are from where? London. Turmeric, no? Yeah, okay. So see here, that root you can see, the yellow color, it grow underground. Yes. And when roots are ready, plant dies. Okay, yes, turmeric plant will die. Then we take out the roots, we dry them in the sun and we make powder. And turmeric is antiseptic, anti-cancer. Okay, it can be used on cuts, burns. Yes. Even as a face mask you can apply face also. The turmeric, yes. Okay, come. Okay, you have to see this now, the root again. Can you see this root? Yeah, ginger. So ginger is a root again, same like turmeric. Okay, when roots are ready, plant dies. Yeah, come. Smell it.
ये वो है यार.
What's that?
दालचीनी.
Yeah. This spice is that? Cinnamon. Yeah, cinnamon. Okay. So see here, this bark is cinnamon. Okay, the bark is cinnamon. It takes 10 to 15 years to get this bark ready. Okay, after 10 to 15 years, the entire tree is cut from the bottom. Thank you. Okay, and inner bark they cut in layers and they dry them in the sun until they rolled or they curled. They dry them in the sun. And you should always buy this inner bark because this is of good quality. Outer bark is of the lower quality of cinnamon. Okay, so in the market you should always buy inner bark, which should be like red in color, brown in color. Okay, there you can buy. And see the leaf there. How does it looks like? Cinnamon leaf. Like a bay leaf. Okay, that is substitute of bay leaf. Instead of bay leaf, you can use this cinnamon leaf. Okay, yes. Even we also extract oil from this bark, cinnamon oil, which is good for joint pain, back pain, muscle pain, any other pain. But cinnamon oil is concentrated. It has to be diluted with some other base oil like coconut, almond. Okay, come. This is called insulin plant. Okay, good for diabetes patient. They just have to chew this one leaf in the morning on empty stomach. Their sugar level will drop. And this leaf is not bitter in taste. It is a sour in taste. You can taste it. It is not bitter. Thick.
Lemon टा पड़ता है.
Like a tamarind, it will taste.
Just like lemon.
Okay.
इमली.
You can eat
इमली का टेस्ट है. Just इमली.
like a imli. It
इंसुलिन. Diabetes.
diabetes, yes.
देख ना इंसुलिन तेरा शुगर गिरनी चाहिए.
And if you plant one, many will grow because it keeps spreading from one plant. Even from the stem also it can grow new plant. In any climatic condition, it can grow. The insulin plant. Okay, come.
In any weather condition.
Yes. Can you tell which spice is that?
अबे वो है
We get 2 types of spice in one fruit. No, not black pepper.
आड़ू है.
No.
बट है नहीं है कुछ और.
Yes. One is mace. Then second is nutmeg. Okay. Jaifal and Javitri. Okay. Yes. So nutmeg and mace, 2 types of spice we get in one fruit. Inside, no, the seed is nutmeg, and the seed covering part is the mace. And when it gets ready, it open by itself. Then the nutmeg and mace will fall down. Okay. Then we separate it and we dry them in the sun. And nutmeg, no, is also good for sleep. Okay, just take 1 pinch, add in 1 glass of milk and drink it. But always remember, if you're consuming nutmeg, it should be always in small quantity. You cannot take too much because it can affect your brain. Memory loss can cause. Yeah. So that is the reason they are banned. In certain countries, like Caribbean countries, no, they are banned in nutmeg because it is one type of a drug. Yeah, you can't take too much. Okay, and there is no particular season for this nutmeg. It gives fruit throughout the year. Okay, come. So big tree, you can see here that is of the cashew. That's big tree. Yeah, but generally cashew doesn't grow that much big. To get sunlight, it's grown high. Otherwise, they're small. Okay, come. Okay, these all are green cardamom bushes. There are 2 types of cardamom, green and black. This is the green cardamom, and it will grow like not on top. They will grow. Okay, like the shoots will come. Okay, from down, and first they will give small tiny flowers, and that flower will turn into the green cardamom. Okay, and this is 3rd most expensive spice in the world because each bush can give only 30 to 40 grams of cardamom per year. So that is the reason they are 3rd most expensive in the world. Do you know which is the 1st most expensive spice in the world? Saffron, yes. Second is vanilla. 3rd is this green cardamom. Okay. And this as a medicine, no, you can use for depression, for memory sharpening, stress, anxiety. You can use the green cardamom. And green cardamom is also known as queen or spice. Okay. Come. And tell me, कौन सा मसाला है? Brush it and smell it, and tell me what spice is it?
ये भी वही लग रहा है, दालचीनी टाइप ही लग रहा है कुछ. ये
लौंग.
लौंग नहीं.
लौंग. लौंग.
Close.
इतनी चीज यहाँ पे कितनी अच्छी स्मेल देती है. जो हमारे पास पैक हो गया आती है तो जितना मर्जी डाल के ले आते.
This is clove, You know clove, right? Okay. So this middle tree is of the clove. Now long. And you can see no one will be able to climb on that tree because it is very thin. Yes. So we spread cloth under the tree and we shake it. It will fall down. Yes. Then we dry them in the sun till it is brown. Okay. Because in the market now you will get 2 types of clove, brown and black. Have you noticed it?
Yeah.
Brown clove which is oil in it and black is after extraction of the oil. So always go for brown in the market. Okay. That flower bud should always be brown, so that is the pure one. Black is like after extraction of the oil. All the medicinal properties, aroma, smell goes out of them. So you should always buy brown cloves. Okay. So no, you can use for toothache, for teeth pain, even for mosquito repellent. You can use this clove one. Okay. Come. Okay. Look at this flower. This is just a decorative flower called heliconia. Yeah, just a decorative. That fruit over there. Yeah. Can you tell what fruit is that? Yes, cocoa.
ये बेटा ये.
Cacao. You know, we make chocolate out of it.
हम्म.
Yes, it grows
कुछ
like
नहीं
a
खाता.
papaya.
ये.
And inside there will be 30 to 40 beans. Will be there. And they take beans, no, they like dry them in the sun, they ferment it, they roast it, then they make chocolate. Okay, come. Let us see there.
बनाना ट्री हमारे स्कूल में
जो कटल के साथ पड़
कहाँ पे
वो कटल गया.
मम्मा मैं टेस्ट कर सकता हूँ
हाँ, पर आराम से दूर से. देखो
बारी है
तो हैवी होता है काफी. देखो सिर्फ. चल आ जाओ.
Very good option
हेलो
The leaf should fall down.
सूखा हुआ है.
ना ना ये वुड वुड है
This is wood.
लीफ नहीं ये नहीं बाबा
Crush it and smell it. Okay. And tell me, what spice you can smell. This is called allspice. Even five spice.
only leaf is used.
Actually, so it will give berries.
Okay.
You can see some berries
Yeah.
over there. It look like a pepper only, like a black pepper. Their berries you can use in masala tea, like in biryani, mutton, chicken, in anything you can use it. Instead of five spice, you can only use this one.
Okay.
Okay, this is called allspice. Five spice Jamaican pepper is also name of this tree. Okay, come.
Yeah.
That green in color. It is like local berry of Goa. We call bimli. Okay, it is like very sour in taste. In Goa, no, instead of tamarind, we use bimli in the like fish curry, prawns curry. Even these local people no make it is very sour. Gooseberries, yeah, belongs to same family.
नहीं ये जैसे हम इमली यूज करते हैं ना इमली की जगह पे ये
Imli ki ben bimli. You can remember I told you from the rings we can count the age. Yeah, this is that. Like we peel it out.
नो दिस विल बी गिल्ली सुपारी या
हाँ गिल्ली गिल्ली ड्राई करेंगे
Yeah.
धूप में फिर अपना नॉर्मल पान शॉप पे जाएगा
Hard.
आता सगळं
अभी भी
मशीन
अच्छे
वगैरे
से
आले
नहीं निकला है.
नाही नाही मशीन आलं की क्लिनिंग होते
Yeah.
ना, ते मशीन मध्ये
It's
टाकलं
not ready yet. Here, no, the people chew it. It's a mouth freshener, even good for digestion. But people take with tobacco, which is not good for health. Yeah, not ready yet. Yeah. They make pieces in color. Yes, small. That is the kokum fruit. Okay. Like again in Goa, no, we don't use the tamarind. Instead of tamarind, no, in Goa we use it. No.
हाँ दिखाई दे जो यहाँ पे जो लाल से जो
हाँ नीचे
एकदम तारी ऊपर अच्छे रेड
Yeah.
वेरी रेड
ये नाना फोटो वाला
अच्छा फ्लावर नहीं तो कैसे पाए
सच ए स्मॉल ट्री
Yeah, mini pineapple.
ओके
Okay, see here. Pineapple.
ओ वाओ
You can see, no? Here. Yes. But there are two type of pineapple, huh? Male and female.
ओके
Yeah. So can you see here these thorns? The thorns. This is called female pineapple. And without thorns called male pineapple. Both give fruit, but male are sour in taste, female are sweet in taste. Always.
कुछ इलायची जैसा टेस्ट है इलायची है
No, the green is different one. This is that red beans you can see. Can you tell what's that?
बेरी
What you say?
ब्लैक पेपर
No. No, not berries. You may drink in the morning.
Coffee beans.
Yeah, that is the coffee beans.
बट इट इज टू स्मॉल
Yes, this is Robusta coffee.
ओके
Yes. Even Arabica is stronger than this. One of the oldest tree in this plantation. It's a coconut tree. Okay. But it's still giving coconut. You can see on the top. From 90.
10 years celebrate century
Yeah. And these all are the roots.
how many coconuts it is giving every year
Same like the normal one, 70 to 1.
20 to 150 in a year
Yes, per year.
or 70 after every 7 months
No, 70 per
In a
year.
year?
Yeah, in a year. And these all are the roots, huh? Like before 90 years, no, the soil is on the top. It looks like this because of the soil erosion. Yeah. Come. After planting this climber, it takes 3 to 4 years to give the first flower. And that flower is pollinated with the hands here. Like in Madagascar, no, they have particular hummingbirds, so nature helps them. Here we don't have, okay? So our workers, they do it with toothpick. Each and every flower with the help of toothpick, they pollinate it. And after pollination, it takes 9 months to get the vanilla beans ready. It is a long process. So that is the reason vanilla is second most expensive. I have the pods, you can take the smell. It won't smell that much because it has been opened many times. Yeah.
Vanilla. But vanilla flavors are so cheap.
Yeah, that is synthetic stuff, not the natural one. That is. But the real vanilla, na, it will cost 60,000 for 1 kg. Export them. Like they have secret formula how to extract the oil. So we need to export them to UK, USA. Okay. Like here, no, we only use this pot. Like if you want to use this in your kitchen, you have to cut in the middle and you have to insert that pot in the sugar. Okay. And after 10 to 15 days, whole sugar smells like a vanilla. And that vanilla sugar you can use in tea, coffee, in sweet dish. You can use. Huh. Yeah, but actually we get 4 types of pepper from the same climber: green, red, white, and black. You can see here some are green and some are red because when it gets mature, they turn red in color. Okay, and when you boil red pepper in the water, no, for 10 minutes, all the skin will go out and you will get the white pepper, which is very good for eyesight. And for black pepper, we dry either green or red in the sunlight, then they will turn black in color. So we get 4 types of pepper from the same climber, only the process is different: green, red, white, and black. Okay, and you can see pepper is a climber, not a tree or a plant. It's a climber. And pepper is known as king of spice. Yeah. Come.
अमृत सबको दिया जाएगा.
Yeah, pepper. You can taste also.
जिसको खांसी है वो खा सकता है.
Okay, see here, this is a small tradition. Okay, we have mixed 2 drops of lavender oil in the water. So I will pour 1 spoon on your spinal cord. You will be feel relaxed. Okay, because lavender oil is good for relaxation. Come one by one and turn around.
क्या करना है?
घूमना है. Come on, relaxation साठी एक activity आहे. Only 2 drops of lavender oil we added in the normal water, which is very good for relaxation. In aromatherapy
You should
and
pour
all,
from head. You should pour from head then.
No, hair falls हो, गंजे हो जाओगे. Come.
पीछे जाओ, बाल पीछे कर लेना, बाल पीछे कर लेना. हाँ, कुछ बात नहीं, आपको वैसे भी गर्मी लग रही थी. जाओ जाओ.
कूलिंग लग रहा है.
जाओ जाओ. कुछ नहीं होता बेटा, बाल पीछे कर लो. 1 मिनट, इसको बाल साइड करो. बाल
No, they're only good in north side. Yeah.
ओ आ गया.
वापस चल.
पीछे गया ही नहीं.
Straight रहिए, straight रहिए.
अबे लिया
अभी लेंगे. चलो मेरी टर्न. फ्रेंड्स, फिर हमने यहाँ से इलायची वगैरह के पैकेट लिए, मिक्स जो स्पाइसेस थे उसके पैकेट लिए. उसके बाद यहाँ पे एक ऑयल था वो लिया, वो जो दिखाया उन्होंने वहाँ पे, जो बोन्स वगैरह के लिए अच्छा होता है. और जो दिखाया यहाँ से साबुन वगैरह लिया, इनका होममेड सोप था वो लिया. फिर यहाँ से ये सब लेके हम घर को जा ही रहे थे ये सब कुछ ऑर्डर पैक करवा के हमने इनसे स्पाइसेस वगैरह भी चेक किए। तो द्विशा को एक कैट दिखी, वो कैट भूखी थी, फिर द्विशा ने उसको ब्रेड खिलाई, ब्रेड खा के वो खुश हो रही थी कैट। तो द्विशा ने बोला कि मम्मा नहीं मैंने खिलानी है, मैंने बोला कि कहीं काटे नहीं, आपको बोलती नहीं। फिर उसने उसको ब्रेड वहाँ से लेके उसको ब्रेड खिलाई। ऐसे लग रहा था वो पता नहीं कितने टाइम से भूखी थी। फिर उसने आराम से ब्रेड खाई। देखो फ्रेंड्स, द्विशा को कहीं पे भी जाओ, डॉग कैट ये सब कुछ ना कुछ मिल ही जाती है उसको, पेट्स। उसके साथ उसका अलग सा ही अटैचमेंट है, पेट्स के साथ कोई ना कोई मिल ही जाएगा। अब मेरे ख्याल में ये उन्होंने ही पाली हुई थी। देखो फ्रेंड्स कितनी क्यूट है, कितनी क्यूट सी पेट है ना। ये इन्हीं की मेरे ख्याल में इन्होंने रखी हुई है, पाली हुई है। फिर द्विशा आके इसके पास खड़ी थी और देख रही थी, फिर बोल रही है कि मम्मा इसको ना प्यास भी लगी हुई थी। फिर उसने पानी का कप में ना लेके आई है पानी, देखो वो पानी भी पी रही है। फ्रेंड चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कर देना।